Alright, this video will teach you how to change those font awesome icons which are on the home page. So first and foremost, we'll load that up. So you go Pages, Home page. This is all the pages. So home page is front page. And we'll scroll down to that container, which is here. So this is where your icon's going to be. So you're going to edit this little button here. We've already done the first one, so we'll go to the second one. Click on that. This brings up all the container settings. You won't need to touch any of this because I've already set it all up, but you will need to edit here. So click the little edit button again. This here is that, so how far around the circle goes. So if you're, for instance, QBCC licensed, probably don't. It should be 100. I don't even know what I'm looking at right now, but if we go 100, that's going to show 100% of the circle in blue. It's generally used for people with different skill levels. So if I was doing graphic design, web development, SEO, I would have graphic design at about 70%, web development at 100, coding at like 40, just to show people who are looking at my profile what I can do. Now, if we go down to the icon, this is where the icon is, and it gets a little bit complicated from here. So you actually have to go to the Font Awesome website, and I've got that here for an example. So it's fontawesome.com. You just search that on Google, it'll bring it up. These are all the icons you get to use. You have 7,345 to play with. So if you type in construction, it's going to come up with all the icons related to construction. Now, what you see here is pretty much how it's going to look. Right. So if it's faded a little bit, if it's got like a skinny handle, that's how it's going to look on the page. So let's just go with the truck, for instance, the pickup truck. You click on that. It has a little code. Don't worry about the color. You've got F, oh no, yeah, that's Unicode. So you've got the two different options here. You've got F663C or I-Class FA truck pickup. It's actually this that you're going to want to copy. So you just copy that pickup truck because it's annoying. They've changed this round on me since I was last on here. It's a pain in the ass now. But anyway, FA truck pickup is what we want. So on this page where you're adding the icon, you see you've got FA hard hat. Just going to change this to truck pickup. I think it was. And just make sure that's right. Yep, truck pickup. So it's FA truck pickup. Now, if I save this, preview, that second icon is now going to be the pickup truck in blue. There you go. And the circle is going to be 100%. So trade qualified staff, 100%. QBCC license builder, 100%. I've just changed that to cost-effective services. If you want them all to be blue circles, then just make them all 100%. That's not a problem. They don't have to be 50% or 70%, whatever it is. Just make them all 100 and they'll all look like that. You can change the color of the icon too if you want to, and that's going to be in here as well. Just click here, and you've got down at the bottom here. Actually, it's going to be in here. So your font color, gets a bit complicated, but icon color you'll need to put here, and you can change it to, let's say, hashtag FFF is just white. So if you want the icon to be white, you can put in a color code from Illustrator or Photoshop if you want, but you probably don't have them. So if there's a specific color you want that icon to be, just let me know and I'll change that for you. But if we preview that now, that truck should be white now. There you go. So I'm going to change it back to that sort of bluey color and just leave it as is. But if you want it to be white so it stands out a little bit more, let me know and I can change that for you. All right. Once you're happy with that, once you're happy with this entire section, you've changed all well, I'm just going to change SCOST now because you may not be able to see it. Once you're happy with all the circles and the icons, then you're just going to click update, and that will put it live on the page. Simple as that, bud.